Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
So, how are you doing today?
Awesome. Full of energy in the room.
Okay. So, which category is your
So he's in
child
the first
participating?
Explorer
Okay.
category.
Okay, it's
yeah.
too young.
Yeah.
Okay. So, as a parent, what are your expectations for the day?
I just want them to have fun and also understand a little bit about the technology.
Okay.
I'm really surprised with the amount of logical thinking that these kids have, even though they're so young.
Yeah.
They're able to program in few steps and reach the destination. So I think it's quite interesting that they've come to this stage with all the practice. So
Okay.
looking forward for them to have fun and just I want to enjoy the show.
Okay. What are the changes you have seen in him, like before robotics and after taking up robotics?
Okay, so two things. One, like I said, I think logically he's able to think, which I'm surprised because usually you start thinking logically when you do some programming, right?
Yes.
So at this age, if I'm able to see that he's able to logically think and move the direction in particular direction and things like that. And the second thing, I love the fact that you guys have made teams, right?
Yeah, according to the age category and everything.
Yeah. So they kind of also, I see the interaction happening between each team members. So one kid is saying, you do this, I count the steps. So that's also
There's a good kind of bonding that has been building,
Correct.
teamwork happening.
Exactly. So
Okay.
these two are the changes that stand out for me today.
So it's his first time at the robotics competition?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. What do you think about STEM programs and robotics Olympiad and all such? How is it shaping the future for kids?
So I think it's very important. So in general, I think in technology, robotics, humanoid robots are some of probably the most upcoming
Very
trends.
futuristic.
It's very futuristic. In fact, there are countries which rely mostly on robotic technology to do your daily chores even.
Yeah.
I'm sure India will also come there eventually. So I think getting up our kids to understand what's
Start
upcoming.
early is also important.
Very important. They understand what's upcoming. And so in general, I feel STEM and robotics and learning new technology is very important at a young age. And
Okay.
that's one of the reasons also you'll see my kid who's 6 years old trying to
That's great,
do
ma'am.
something
I'm
here.
happy. I mean, parents understanding what they like and implementing those things. And I hope you have a great time today.
Thank you.
Thank you.